Right, today I'm going to answer the question, can you drive the boat, moor the boat, dock the boat by yourself? So, Jesus Christ, I think I get fatter by the day. There we go. So, let's answer the question. Let's find out. Let's see what goes tits up and see what doesn't. First fuck up of the day, I forgot the boat keys. So, I'll just rush to the car and then I'll be back. Live. Keys. Right. I'll switch the ignition on. One, two. All the GPS radar, everything, that's all on. Right. Now thrusters, yes. Right. One engine, two engines. Right, what I'll do is I'll let them warm up a little bit and I'll just go and do the lines and unplug the shore power, and then I think I'll do it from up the top because I can't really see what I'm doing down here when I'm mooring. Did that, okay. It's a shit sight easier with two people, but you can definitely do it. I was pretty lucky because the tide's slack tide at the moment, so it was pretty easy to untie the bow and the stern lines without having to worry about the boat drifting. But yeah, it's a little bit sketchy doing it on your own. You definitely do it, but yeah, it's much easier with two people. As long as they haven't had too many drinks, that is, and then you end up doing it yourself anyway. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head out into some open water. I'm just following a yacht at the moment who's fanning about changing their fenders in the middle of the river. And then what I'll do is I'll get out and do some drone shots and catch up with you in a minute. Going up the Hamble River and just saw this piece coming down, so I thought I'd take a video of it. It's beautiful. Don't know what it is. What is it? What is it? Do they do a wave? Yeah, wavy. It's a Predator. Sunseeker Predator 68 or something. I'm about halfway up the river now, so it won't be long and then I'll be out on the water. I reckon it's going to be a little bit lumpy. hope this has been some use to you. I can't work out how yet, but bar the fact that I've answered the question, yes, you can take a 42-foot yacht out on your own, but do you really want to? It's pretty sketchy. You don't want to be doing it when the tide's running, and then when you do get out here, it's pretty boring because you're just talking to yourself. So make of that what you will. If you like the video, feel free to comment nice things. If you didn't like the video, then don't comment nasty things, because as my mum always says, if you've got nothing nice to say, then say nothing at all. Toodaloo!